Besties, let's talk about this hair because your girl tried something new and she is feeling herself. This is my first time ordering a wig from Alibaba, and let me tell you, I was low-key panicking. You know what I mean? Like panicking. You hear all the horror stories, lack of light, tracks falling out, hair shedding like it's autumn. But baby, this week came correct. Like it showed up soft, full, and ready to slay right out of the box. Like for real. This is a 360 HD lace kinky straight hair, and she is giving pressed natural hair but make it expensive. Yes, we love that for us. I can pat her anywhere. Updos, check. Half up, check. Half down, check. Eye punny, she said yes ma'am. And let's get into this texture because she is thick in all the best ways though. Not too bulky, not too silky. It is that perfect balance between body and realism. The lace HD, melted like butter, no gray cast, no struggle. I got it from, if I'm pronouncing this correctly, so do not sue me, Fangyuan. I'm gonna put the name on the screen. It's called Xuchang or Fangyuan Plastic Packaging.co Limited on Alibaba, and they actually surprised me with this one. I will drop the link in the description if you want to check it out. But but just know, I don't gatekeep, okay? You are welcome. I styled it super simple today so you could really see the shape and volume. But I can't wait to play around with coils, crumbs, a silk bun, all of that. She is versatile, baby. Oh my god, I love this. If you are thinking about trying hair from Alibaba, hey, this is your sign. Just make sure you vet your vendors, check reviews and ask questions. This one came through and now I'm over here thinking, do I like order a second unit? Because I am actually obsessed, for real. Honestly, look at me. I'm just over here trying to tie it down, but honestly it didn't really need anything, nothing at all. Can you see that? Can y'all see that? It looks like it came out of my scalp. This is like my actual hair. My god, look at that. Let me know in the comment if you want a full install plus styling tutorial. I will show you how I lay it, how I maintained it, and what product I use to keep it fresh. For now, I am gonna just sit here and feel cute because he ate down. Thank you for watching my hair tutorial review. I love you guys so much. Follow me if you have not already, and see you in the next vloggy vlog.